Here it is, the all-new 2019 Subaru Forester, a great deal like it was previously, and a considerable measure unique. Spy Shots educated us to transformative outside on this fifth era, which Subaru names a more tough style. Taking signs from the Ascend, rather than body sides enriched with 2 or 3 character lines, Subaru planners focused on the model of the whole traverse. In front, a bigger, dark shine complete grille cuts further into the guard from the best. The front light lodgings extend fit as a fiddle, yet now hold LED lights standard on all trims. At the edges, punched-out wheel curves outline a calculated shoulder that cuts into the C-column and wraps around the side glass. Configuration changes and the move to Subaru's global platform bring a 1.2-inch longer wheelbase and 1.4 more crawls of back legroom. Inhabitants in advance sit in new, more agreeable seats and appreciate more space in the inside passage on account of an electronic stopping brake. In back, more extensive back entryway openings and a more extreme C-column permit simpler entrance.